DNS, welcome to Mauritius. This is a typical Sunday afternoon on the beach. We've got nothing to do, so we thought we'd just stroll down to the beach and chill out by the amazing beaches that we have here. This is a message really for my tutor group, 8 Griffin. I'm seriously missing all of you guys. I haven't been given a new tutor group here yet. What I had with you guys. I'm seriously missing all of you, and I hope you all had a really good end of year 8. I hope all your exam results were as you wanted them to be, and I hope you all realised your full potential because you are all very able children. I'm missing all my little girly helpers, Ellen, Olivia, Eleanor, Hannah. I feel like I shouldn't mention all the names because if I'm going to miss someone out, everyone's going to feel bad. I hope the remove visits have been kept down though, Charlie. I hope he hasn't been sent to remove that often, if at all. Also a message to my year 8 class. Again, I haven't found anyone to replace you. I don't have anyone to talk about fashion to with Olivia. I don't have anyone to talk about, was it One Direction, Grace? I'm not sure. I just haven't managed to find anyone to replace you, and I don't think I ever will. All of you guys, well, I hope you had a really good start to year 8, and I hope you've all finished it on a really high note as well. Have a great summer. If any of you find yourself wanting a summer holiday, then Mauritius is about 12 hours away and you can find me here, so please get in touch. To all the staff as well, I really miss you. You'll be happy to know I moan a lot less here now. It might be something to do with the weather probably. Like I said, hopefully I will see you soon. I still miss you. If I find myself in England, probably in December, I'll pop down to see all of you. Have a really great summer. Enjoy the 33-degree heat, what I've heard, if it lasts. Bye.